From now on, we will go to exit 4 of Myeongdong subway station from Namsan Ormi, inclined elevator. Ready? Go! Go straight to the right while looking at Namsan Ormi, inclined elevator. Where have you decided to go for your next tourist destination? If you haven't decided on the next tourist destination, I recommend Myeongdong, which is close to Myeongdong subway station. Myeongdong is one of the primary shopping districts in Seoul. The two main streets meet in the center of the block, with one beginning from Myeongdong subway station and the other from Lotte department store at Yeoljiro. Many brand-name shops and department stores line the streets and alleys. Common products for sale include clothes, shoes, and accessories. Unlike Namdaemun or Dongdaemun, many designer brands are sold in Myeongdong. In addition, several major department stores have branches here, including Lotte department store, Shinsegae department store, Myeongdong Migliore, Noon Square, and M Plaza. The department stores carry many premium labels and other fashionable goods at reasonable prices. Myeongdong also has family restaurants, fast food, plus Korean, Western, and Japanese dining options. Many restaurants in Myeongdong specialize in pork cutlet and kalguksu. Other businesses in the area include hair salons, banks, and theaters. First of all, there are Lotte department store and Shinsegae department store nearby, and there are various shopping malls on Myeongdong Street. Various brand shops are concentrated in the central street and side alleys. In Myeongdong, there are many things to eat and enjoy along with shopping. Cross the crosswalk here. Pay attention to nearby vehicles for safe movement. Cross the crosswalk and go right. Myeongdong Cathedral, located in the middle of downtown Seoul, is also the Seoul Archdiocese Cathedral and has become a symbol of the presence of the Korean Catholic Church. Now, Myeongdong Cathedral continues to reach the global community with prayer and missionary work. Myeongdong Cathedral is Korea's first brick church built in the Gothic style. The structure retains the pure Gothic style without any decorations. It's going to the left from here. Korea has a mild climate with 4 distinctive seasons. The migratory anticyclones make for sunny and dry spring and autumn, whereas the country's summer is heavily affected by the hot and humid North Pacific anticyclone. During winter, the effect of the continental anticyclone from the north keeps the country dry and cold. Cross the crosswalk here. Cross the crosswalk and go left. Korea is an attractive travel destination where Eastern culture and modernization coexist in harmony, and it is a destination that many people dream of. For those who have already been to Myeongdong, I recommend Namdaemun Market. If you leave Myeongdong Station on the subway and go one stop, you can arrive at Hohaeon Station and visit Namdaemun Market. Opened in 1964, Namdaemun Market is the largest traditional market in Korea, with shops selling various goods. All products are sold at affordable prices, and the stores in this area also function as wholesale markets. It's going to the right from here. Namdaemun Market is even open overnight, from 11 p.m. to 4 a.m., and is crowded with retailers from all over the country. When day breaks, the sight of busy shoppers bustling around the market creates a unique scene that attracts tourists worldwide. Namdaemun Market sells a variety of clothes, glasses, kitchenware, toys, mountain gear, fishing equipment, stationery, fine arts, accessories, hats, carpets, flowers, ginseng, and imported goods. Namdaemun Market sells more than 1,700 kinds of products necessary for daily life, including accessories, kitchenware, folk crafts, food, miscellaneous goods, and agricultural and fishery products, as well as various clothing such as children, men, and women. We finally arrived at exit 4 of Myeongdong subway station. I hope you enjoy the rest of your trip. See you in the next video. See ya!